Long distance breakup advice. How to approach LDR breakup. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment and I'm your relationship expert. As you know, since 2007, I've coached so many people from all over the world. I'm the co-founder of With My Ex Again, but I'm also a relationship influence in Europe, the number one when it comes to getting back with the one you love. If you're watching this video, it's because you are in a long-distance relationship and you want to receive some advice about your specific situation. I want to tell you something really important. You are not alone. To be honest, I've seen a lot of people in coaching, but also when I'm reading your comment on Love Advice TV, you're talking about long-distance relationship. Maybe you met online. Maybe you met in a specific place, but you don't live in the same country. And it's okay. It's possible to get back with the one you love, even when there is the distance. And this is something important that I really want to share with you, because most of the time we are always focusing on the problems and not on the solutions. But long distance relationship, LDR, it's really important to understand something. When I talk about getting back with the next, most of the time I'm saying the face-to-face, meeting in person, it's the most important thing. Because if we can meet in person, then we rebuild the trust, we rebuild the attraction. And the mistake that you're doing today in your situation, when you are in a long distance relationship, you're trying to get him back at distance. So you're not living in the same city. Sometimes you're not living in the same country. You're far from 5,000 miles and you want to get back with your ex. I'm so sorry to tell you, it's not possible. We need to go step by step. Step number one, we need to have a communication. Because when you have a good communication, you can rebuild the trust, you can rebuild the attraction, and you can rebuild the chemistry. This is exactly what we need to make sure we can get back with your ex in a long distance relationship. So instead of talking about your love, your feelings, the fact that he or she is the one of your life, just talk about your life. Just talk about what is happening in your life and in your ex life too, because we need communication. Then we'll be able to rebuild the sexual and the physical attraction. Maybe you will share pictures of yourself. Maybe you will tease your ex with some specific text message where there is some sexual play game. I know it's not an advice that I'm giving often, but when there is a long distance, we need to have this chemistry. We need to have this dream about other person. So I'm not saying doing some pictures that are sexy all the time, but sometimes just to rebuild the physical attraction. The last step, so first we start with the communication, then we have the physical attraction. The last part is, what can you do to rebuild the relationship? So when will you be able to meet each other? So you will tell me, but Alex, what should I do? Because my ex is not talking to me. My ex doesn't want to see me. My ex is angry, is mad, block me, ghost me. There is something specific in a long distance relationship. There is one advice that I want to give you. The situation today is not the situation of tomorrow. So if you can show your ex that you will be able to meet soon, there is a lot of stakes in place, because your ex will feel that it could be a good opportunity to meet each other. Your ex will remember all of the good moments that you had in your life. So this is why I want you to go step by step, because I've coached this lady. She's living in Asia. His boyfriend is in Germany. They were separated for 6 months. But once he knew that she will be in Europe, in France, he just realized that they could meet. And his attitude changed it. So at the beginning, he was not really responding. He was really cold. But once he knew that she was coming in France, it just opened up. The world has changed because there is this opportunity to meet, which was not the case before. So you need to understand something specifically. When it comes to your situation, we cannot get back with your ex at distance. We can rebuild the communication and take our time. I know it's not easy. I know you love your ex, but we need to take our time. So step number one, rebuild the communication. Step number two, rebuild the physical attraction. Tip number three, it's really important to take your time and be able to see each other. So even if you take your time for 8, 9 months, for 2 years, take your time. Don't skip the process. If you're trying to be in a relationship where there is a long distance, I can guarantee you that you will be disappointed because your ex will think that there is no future with you. So instead of suffering tomorrow, they want to stop now. If you can show your ex there is an opportunity to meet each other, it's really different. If you need some help, book a private coaching session. Just come on with my ex again, go on the coaching page, book a private coaching session. I can help you rebuild the trust. I can help you rebuild the communication, the physical attraction, and then be able to see your ex. Because we just need one face-to-face. We need one meeting to make sure we'll be able to reconnect your love. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment and I will be here to answer your single question. Give me a like and please subscribe to Love Advice TV. This is an amazing YouTube channel. Every single day you have a video to change your personal and your love life. I know it's not easy when you love your ex, when there is a long distance, but it's possible. We can do it together. We have to do it together. I will see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.